Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your brother device to your PC. To do that, you should download the brother software to your personal computer. So open brother.com apps ps/n/index.html and click download. Here select your product category. For example, in our case, it will be inkjet printer. In my case, it's MFC. I have MFC-J4335DW series, and here you should find your model. I will find mine. As you can see, I have 4340DW, and as you can see, there is no my model here. So I will download the software for this one. For Windows 11, if you have another system, so download driver and software for your system. Click OK and just download full software package. This is thing we need. Agree and download, and just wait a while. It's very good idea to download the software after you will connect your printer to the network. So connect your printer to the network first. Then, when your printer is connected and you downloaded the application, just open this up. Click next, I accept, next. Here choose wireless network connection. So this is the this is good choice for some who connected your printer to the Wi-Fi router. If you wanna connect your printer to your computer using USB-B to USB-K cable, so you can do that, but you should use this connection type. I want to use this one because my printer is connected to the router using Wi-Fi model. Okay, click next. If you don't know how to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi, just watch our video about it. And as you can see, it's found my my printer here. You can enter IP address manually. If you don't know how to choose how to check printer's IP address, you can watch our video about it. Standard recommended. Select the installation type you want. Standard. Click next. Wait a while. And as you can see, it's automatically found driver for our printer, and here just click install. And as you can see, it asks us about installing the Paperport application. So Paperport is a document management software package that helps you organize, access, edit, share and manage documents and image files on your computer. If you need this application, just click install. I don't, so I just click next and then click and as you can see, software installation complete. Your machine is ready to use. This application provides accessing the printer, scan and the workflow functionality. Press finish to launch, print and scan. Open it. And cool. Here click I accept click next, enter the machine's password. So I will enter my password. If you don't know how to check your machine's password, just watch our video about it. All videos about your printer you can find in our YouTube playlist. So here click OK. Okay, that's it. As you can see, Brother firmware update completed, updating process. So click done. Okay, so here, if you want, you can fill this information. I don't want, so I will click update. Sorry, skip. And check for software's update. Select the browser device you want to update. I have only one device. Category device application. It's strange. Click update here. Click I accept. Next. Enter printer password again. And wait a while. We just need to update our device twice. So maybe not twice, but first time you update it, second time when you trying to update it, if there is newer one available, so you will install it. If not, it will just fastly take you out to the normal menu. Okay. Now, as you can see, Brother iPrint application opened. Application update. Okay, let's update the application. Wait a while. Click install to start installation iPrint and scan. Okay, now click continue. Click continue again. And cool, as you can see, Brother iPrint and scan application was successfully installed. Newest driver version was successfully installed, and newest software for your printer was successfully installed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.